So like if, and I've heard of like 9 pro IFBB pro bodybuilders. So
Yeah.
like if they can do it, they can same amount of time in every day as you do. It can be done. It's an excuse.
So then the next question is, okay, so I make the time, I create the time, which is what I tell people. You create time. Time is an illusion. You can create it
Like
and
that.
get around that. And then, so then their next thing will be, okay, I'll create the time, but I don't even know where to start. And so people get stuck there. What would you say is the first thing they should do? Just go for a walk or go get a
Go
gym
for a walk,
membership?
whatever is easiest to them. Hey, if you want to ride a bicycle, ride a bicycle. Whatever makes you happy, move. I don't care if it's
Yeah.
watching a yoga video and doing that.
I took
Just
on
do something.
hockey. I took on hockey 2 years ago because I got two kids that play, and it's been the best thing ever. People are scared to like do roller skates or bikes or other things. Don't be afraid. Like there's teachers out there. There's ways to do it because there's even benefits in going into things that you're afraid of or you may not want to do initially. Your brain actually grows. Let's talk about that for a little bit. Like there's growth in your brain. They're showing new research when you do challenging things that you don't really want to do that are good for you. Like if you don't want to go work out, you're going to get smarter. Like if you they found a lot of this out from like the cold plunge. Of course, you can't love the cold plunge. You still got to hate it, and you get benefits of like the brain grows, right? And new neural connections in the brain. So, there's even benefits in that. So who doesn't want to get smarter, right? And then we talk about like, big thing for if your men listen to this, hormones, testosterone. You mentioned like with your food, how like you could have probably looked healthy on the outside, but your testosterone levels were low, and how like food is affecting that. And then also like erectile dysfunction, the big ED that nobody wants to talk about, like that's affecting a lot of young men these days. And it could be a number of things. It could be, that they have high access to porn or something, but it's also food and your environment and what you're watching and the lack of blood flow and movement. I mean, my parents, for example, well, let's pause, but let's talk about that for a little bit.